think whatever God made for my unconquerable soul. The fell clutch of circumstance. I have not quit nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of giants, my head is dully but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of shades, and yet the menace of these years shall find me unaware. and that matters how straight the gate, or how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.